I'm super excited. Let's just start this video. You're gonna love this. It's a great time to be a Nintendo fan because I finally got my hands on the Switch 2, and I gotta say, they might have a hit on their hands. Now the Switch 2 is a well-built console. Successor to the original Switch, it feels better built as a console and also just feels comfortable as you hold it in your hands. The wider nature of the console with the bigger Joy-Con, larger display, feels like a better design choice. Now, speaking of those Joy-Cons, as I mentioned, they're larger, they're also magnetic, easier to detach, easier to put back in, very simple, very smooth. I do like the two-tone colors on each side, so at least you know which Joy-Con goes where. But also you've got larger buttons on there, giving you just a comfortable feel while you're using the Joy-Con to play. Now, speaking of playing, Nintendo had a ton of games to actually showcase. They had Kirby and the Forgotten Lands. They also had Metroid Prime Beyond, Cyberpunk, tons of games that as a gamer, you're excited. And they're coming soon right after launch. Now I got to play Mario Kart World, and this game feels like Mario Kart, but just feels so much better. Kind of reminds me of like N64 Mario Kart a little bit, and just something new and fresh. Being able to jump into a 24-player race is very, very impressive. It handled really well, and while gaming using the dock on screen, it looked absolutely fantastic. You can upscale to 4K using the dock. The dock has a built-in fan to keep the console cool while it's doing this, but again, you can see it looks really good. They also had a new mode called Knockout Tour where you progressively get knocked out if you miss a certain ranking position while you're racing. It's insane, it's intense, and no, I did not win. I was knocked out in the second round. There are also a ton of other games they showcased. I played Street Fighter 6. That played well like Street Fighter 6. I was using the new Pro Controller 2, and whew, I don't know how to explain it, but it feels really good. It is super comfortable to hold. The buttons actually feel really nice. The grip is solid. I think the overall experience with either the Pro Controller, the console, everything feels really good. Another game that I was interested in to play was Donkey Kong Bonanza, which is just a crazy smash 'em up game, at least from my short experience, where you come back from work, you're tired, you want to just break a few things over. You can do that with Donkey Kong Bonanza. Now, a big surprise for me was seeing Cyberpunk 2077 Ultimate Edition playing and running on the Switch 2. Now, this is something that we know quite well, that with our allies, our Steam Deck, you gotta drop that resolution, change the settings a lot. It ran well. Now, it seemed maybe like it was closer to about 30 instead of 60, but the frame rate was solid, gameplay was good. You're gonna see a ton of games, and I can go on and stress to you about all the different games I played, and I'll show them for you in this video, but the console felt good. I do like the fact that they have a digital game share where I can share my game with somebody else who doesn't have it. So for instance, I get Mario Kart World, and Hayato wants to play, we can jump at a race. He doesn't have to buy the game. That is impressive. Doing that locally and also doing that online. You can do it online as well with a friend in Texas or in London or wherever they are. I'm super excited about the Nintendo Switch 2, and I think you guys will be once you get your hands on this console. And for now, enjoy some gameplay and all the new games Nintendo has to offer for the Switch 2.